There.
Okay. Hey guys, we're watching Volgard's videos here on Going Down to Tubes, and here's another offbeat review. Alright, I just reviewed the Kenmore 6-amp twin horse, or not horsepower, twin motor, twin fan, Kenmore. Now, set that one aside. This is the one I've had for about, just over half a year. I bought it at Teen Challenge. Not the same store this one was adopted from. This one is one in Albany, so a different town. This one is a bit heavier. This one's, I want to say, about 2/3 heavier, but it's also quieter, as you'll see in my demonstration. It's not as quite as in good a shape. You see that the decal up here is starting to peel. It looks like somebody was trying to bash somebody in the head with it. This one was full price for $5, which is still a steal, you know. When I got it, the belt was getting a little loose. It wasn't quite as bad as this one, but it was, you know, getting loose. But I bought some belts for I think $2 or something at a thrift store, or I don't know what. But yeah, I think the light works. Over on top here, there's a light. Yes. Over on top here, you see a indicator of your setting. You got low, norm, high, shag. I love this. All the way up, low, down, norm, high, all the way down, shag. And forest setting's good enough for me. That one's got, what, 9, you know? But this one's a lot easier. Just take a big toe and just go down or lift up. Like that.
Can you do a toe up?
Can I do a tour? Oh, yes. This is the Hoover Decade 80. It's got with edge cleaning. Hoover Decade 80. I would guess this was made in...
Did it come out in the 80s?
I don't know. I want to say 92 by the latest. Probably 88, somewhere around there. About the same age as that one. This one's got the switch in the same location, right here. I love the vacuums with the switch right here at your fingertips like a gun. The ones at the foot, that's like a Eureka thing back in the day. I didn't hate that, but when you're wearing bare feet, it's kind of a hard spot just to nail down with your foot when you're barefoot. When you got a boot on, it's perfect. But I prefer this. And then you have those stupid vacuums with a switch on the side. You know, what crap is that? Something gets stuck up and you need to turn it off in a split second. Where's the button? Where's the button? This is a lot better. What else I need to demonstrate? It's called the Power Surge for some reason. The Hoover Power Surge Decade 80. It's got dust, clean, and bag change. It doesn't advertise that on the other one, but it's pretty much the same.
Does the other one have edge cleaning?
Yeah, but this one, I think that one's better with edge cleaning. This one, the bag comes in a bit differently, I think, but whatever. The bag's kind of full, actually.
Maybe that's why I'm not using
heavy. You need to take a dump. This is the lever on the left. It goes down. Hit it again. Go all the way down. I think that one's the same in the sense that it's so light. Hit it again. It goes all the way down. Yep. Now with this one, before I ramble on too much, what I like about this one, again, it's so easy to swap out the belts or get string undone. These two levers right here, take them out, flips right out. Oh, there's a tack stuck into a magnet. That's cool. Let's stick that to the wall. Alright. It's got a nice beater bar action. This right here is your motor. Fan, sucks stuff up. Takes bag type A. Hoover model U4385, 60 hertz, AC power only. Listed 263G. This thing's got 3G. Serial number 000544209. Made in the freaking USA. This is what I like about vintage vacuum cleaners. They're made in the USA. Not Japan, not China, not Korea, whatever. Not even Canada. This is in the USA. the Hoover Co. North Canton, Ohio. 44720. How many things can you get this day and age that has the zip code of when it was birthed? That's too cool. I don't think I have the actual date it was conceived, but that's okay. We don't need to get into that kind of details. It goes right back on there like that. Someone's ringing my dong. Hold on. Hello? 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 Can't hear you. Hello? He can call me back in a second. Okay, so let's get with the demonstration, shall we? This, I don't know if it's a feature or just something that wore out. I can flip this down, which is cool. And the cord's a bit longer. Okay. Sit.
Ah!
Sorry.
I'm glad I could dodge with my toe.
Is this 3D?
Yeah, totally.
Hello? Yeah? What?
We will be back after these messages. Since right now we are in a pickle.
I'm gonna watch the second load. There's only like a tiny load left. The last load is just like a bra and a few shirts. Most of it's already done. Oh, the second load, the dryer, I started that right when I got the phone with you. First time. So it should be about halfway done or something, I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Goodbye. Alright. Without any more further interruption, let's get this ball or vac human. Alright, here we go. Watch, move your toe.
Thought you were gonna do it in the other room.
Gotta do everything around here. Alright, here we go. It's wider. I think the belt's getting worn down because that's why it slows so much down when it comes down.
Sounds like it's purring.
Oh yeah, and here's the undercarriage shot. Okay, so that's the review. I'd probably rate that one 8, and this one a 9, just because it's quieter. And yeah, so thanks for watching, comment, subscribe, and see you next time. Ha!